Hey, what's happening? So, Crazy Keon is here, and I'm going to teach you how to keep your toilet from being odoriferous. The first thing you want to do is go and pick up a couple things. This is one. Some cheap, inexpensive fabric softener. You can grab it from the dollar store. You can grab it from Walmart, wherever your favorite shopping spot is, but don't spend a whole lot of money on it. The next thing you want to pick up is some borax. Now, the reason for the borax is very simple. Camping chemicals no longer have formaldehyde in it. It's the worst thing that the industry ever did, but when there's a politician and there's a lobbyist, they do stuff. So they remove formaldehyde from holding tank chemical. Well, this is not formaldehyde, but it's going to do something very similar to it, which is denature the protein in the bacteria called E. coli. So the first thing you want to do is for about 30 minutes, let some fabric softener soak right there on the seal that seals the tank from your toilet. That's going to be very important. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to put 1.5 cups of your borax into your tank along with a cup of fabric softener. The combination of the two is going to keep odor down, and it's going to denature again that E. coli to keep your toilet from being funky as a monkey. By doing that, you're kind of sort of doing the same thing that the old formaldehyde stuff did, except now it's quote unquote socially, politically acceptable. There you go. Do that. You want to do that like every week, and you want to try to clean and dump your tank every week to 10 days, depending on how hot it is outside. Bye-bye odoriferous.